The Fijian Minister for Justice and Attorney General Siromi Turaga and 10 Fiji delegates from the justice sector today arrived in Honiara as part of the twinning program and also visited the Solomon Islands to meet with his counterpart, Clezy Rore. The visit is part of the Wantok Legal Network known as Virikawaka, which promotes collaboration and knowledge sharing amongst legal professionals across the region. The visit is to strengthen the spirit of collaboration formalized through a memorandum of understanding between the two ministries.
Honourable Ministers, it has been 9 months since our last meeting in Suva, when we signed the memorandum of understanding between our two ministries. As it was then, today and the days ahead mark another significant milestone for our two nations. One that reaffirms our commitment to deepening cooperation, building enduring partnership between Fiji and the Solomon Islands in the pursuit of justice and good governance. Regional collaboration ensures not only the advancement of justice, governance, the rule of law in the Pacific region. Through the establishment of the twinning program, we have created a bridge for mutual learning, knowledge exchange, and professional development. This partnership allows our legal professionals to learn from each other in the Pacific way. In terms of policy development, legal aid administration, research, legal practice, legislative drafting, and the broader workings of the justice system.
The Government for National Unity and Transformation is strengthening its Justice to Justice partnership between the Solomon Islands and Fiji. The visit focuses on council exchanges, training and capacity building for legal and court officers under the new Memorandum of Understanding.
Okata office blame ya, mosem yumi everyone actually okata out of sud law, yumi former British colonies, yeah? So law blame common law. Yeah, that is one fella. Two is that yumi learn by sako sit down law other office where you same people or same yumi. Yeah? And different is there's an advantage to for go Australia, New Zealand, but for yumi time go law Fiji. O kata kamlemi o some Melanesians no more so sit down law office and yumi talk that kind of relationship nothing the advantage lam. And I think finally the thing is that you will learn differently. Yeah? The way you may sit down with other Melanesians, you will learn differently. You will learn through what man make funny or to laugh over eating together, and not always drink kava across there. Same with them, Papua New Guinea and Vanuatu. That's the advantage that you cannot get them anywhere. Since we will sign him that MOU, Law Reform Commission blame Law Solomon and signed to with them Fiji. Law Fiji Minister of Justice. The thing is that correctional service manda kata tu ya. Yeah, so you will have correctional service with police, but I like correctional service and kata. And so while kata office blame me already signed with that, DPP by sign law next week with MTPP Fiji. While that is happening, two things. One, by me go learning things that are happening already between you me. What now you will learning from that. And number two is in light of what will happen between you already, where areas for you build on more. Yeah, because one, we're already doing some things. Lawyers go across and lawyers come, lawyer. But against that lesson learned already, the second problem is against that lesson, how now areas more for him improve more.
Fiji's Ministry of Justice is also studying the Solomon Islands Justice Information Management System to support digital justice reforms. The partnership promotes mutual learning through a twinning program between both countries' legal agencies.